Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I hope everybody's okay. I'm out here in the streets looking all rusty and crusty. I haven't made a video in a while. Always saying that. It's like repetitive, you know. Anytime you don't make a video, I always say, oh, I'll make a video in a long while. But yeah, I'm here just doing grown people stuff. What grown people supposed to do. But, I just want to check in and just reason with everybody and probably just, drop a little, gem here and there, make a little video. So yeah, oftentimes, we as people, we feel trapped, we feel locked in. Yeah, I'm speaking about relationships specifically. We feel as if because we're so used to being with one person or we've been with that person for a long while, we feel like there's nothing new out there, or there's no one else that can love us the way that this person loves us, or there's nobody else. That fear of, oh, what if I break up with a person, or what if, that fear that we have to let go, that fear that we have to move on. I think that is one of the main reason why a lot of us are miserable. The main reason why we're not happy most times, because we lock ourselves in, in that bubble where we're like, oh, I can't live my life without you, or I can't breathe without you. If you leave me, I'm going to die. But the fact is, the reality is that we won't die. We won't. It's not the end of the world. It's just an individual. It's just a person. It's just a phase, and we will get past this phase. It's just that it's hard, and sometimes we can't see our way out. Just like when you owe a debt, you owe the bank some money, or you owe your friend some money, but you don't have any income. So it's like, how am I going to do this? How am I going to get out of this debt? It's similar. So we're stuck in it, and we question ourselves, and we ask ourselves how, when, how am I going to get resources to do it? How am I going to leave this person? How am I going to move on? Is it going to take a toll on me? Is it going to, affect my relationship with their parents, with their family? All of those stuff cross our mind, and we contemplate, the worst. We think about the worst thing that can happen. We don't look at the positives, because we don't think there's a positive side to break up, or to leave somebody that we have been with for so long. But sometimes you have to go out on the ledge and take that new step, and just go ahead and move forward with your life. So that's just one thingy that's been on my mind. Apart from that, life is just life. Oh, I'm on the road, peeps. I'm walking these streets, and it's raining. Oh yeah. See, I love you. It's raining, and I make a video in the rain for you guys. They say it's springtime still. I call it winter and summer. I have two seasons in my head. Summer and winter. I real Jamaican, winter and summer. But yeah. But, all in all, just have to, give God thanks for life. We just have to stay strong, peeps. We just have to push on as best as possible. And, just live. Most of us are not living. You just have to try and live, to be honest with you. Because life is a journey. Life is funny when you look at it. I really like this. Sorry. Life is a journey when you look at it, so just have to live here, man. But yeah, like I say, I hope everybody's okay. Hope, my gingerbread and my jelly bean are doing alright. For everybody that's in the storm in Florida, I hope everybody's safe. In the Carolinas, I know you guys was hit by the storm the other day, and one more storm coming up from the south coast. Well, the south actually. Southeast. So it's pushing past Florida right now, going through Alabama, Atlanta, and it's going South Carolina, North Carolina. That trajectory, it is slated to to pass through your area again. So just prepare for it. It's sad, it's a natural disaster. There's nothing much we can do about that other than keeping safe and, you know, keeping in touch with loved ones, and hopefully the emergency crews, you know, do a good job again. But, you know, I just want to step in and say hello to everybody. I'll just give a little message until, you know, I'm in the right frame of mind to start releasing videos like how I used to. I'm not in the frame of mind right now. I'm not going to lie to you guys. To release videos like how I used to, but yeah. I'm okay so far. Hope everybody else is. Thanks for watching J Vlogs. Thanks for all the support. Really appreciate each and every one of you. You know, it's been amazing. The journey continues. So, you know, thanks again for watching J Vlogs. Until next time.